gonna try something I just thought about. Vamos a probarlo porque acabo de pensarlo. Maybe other people have done it before. Quizá otra gente lo ha hecho antes. But just a different way to make a ham and cheese sandwich. Otra forma de hacer tu pan con queso y jamón. ¿No? Sin jamón, vencido. No fungus. No fungus. Y, right? And I'm just gonna put it here. See what happens. Good. At least this is more fun than doing it in the oven, because you can look at it. Por lo menos es más entretenido que hacerlo en el horno porque lo puedes mirar. Yeah, I already like it. Is it gonna melt? We don't know. Agarratir el queso no. This is Havarti cheese, by the way. Es queso Havarti. Well, it is kind of melting. A little bit. Right? I think this is done. Done, Jones. Didn't melt, but it's still warm.